Welcome back to the shop. On today's video, I'm going to weld in the rear support, the motor mount for the Harley Davidson Ironhead engine into this Triumph frame. And then I'll have to make the front motor mounts. But today, let's get started. Hold it in place. Alright, that's enough to hold it in place right there, and I can come back and finish welding it after I check the alignment on everything. Go ahead and set this motor back in here. Let's see if we can get it lined up. Yeah, I mean, could I pick that motor up and set it up in there like a lot of them younger guys do? Sure, but I've always had the philosophy work smarter, not harder, so grab this chain horse and go from there. Let's come up with it. Well, it slid right down through there. It's gonna slide back out, just like that. Yeah, taking the time to get this trued up is what you have to do. Once the rear mount got 4 bolts that hold it in place back there, once it's all the way bolted in, then that's going to line the rest of the motor up for you, and it's a lot easier to make the front mounts.